What's up, guys? Nizo here. So I thought I'd bring you an update on my Xcelsus 4-inch competition mid-range upgrade. I recently tried out the 8-inch, the 3-inch comp, the spiderless mids. This is the 4-inch. It's apparently a little bit better. I needed to make custom pods. I 3D printed them. They're like really chunky. That's the insides. This is I think about the 4th set that I've had to print. To get the volume right, we run it through STS, we check responses, RTA, all of that, and where to keep filling and reducing volume, and we ended up making it too small, so we had to make it bigger again. And anyway, this is why we ended up with such a big pod. And yeah, this is not really wasted space, it's all filled. But anyway, that's not what I wanted to show you. What I wanted to show you was the grill. We 3D printed a grill. We learned, well, you get points in sound quality for having a grill, and you need the protection, as I pointed out yesterday with the subwoofer issue. Anyway, this is print 2, I think, print 2. One of the issues is, well, first issue is it's 1 millimeter too big, so we need to come down there. Then the trim ring itself is a little too thin. We've actually forgot to change the size from our first original print where it was that kind of volume, so that will change. And then also you'll see the screw holes don't line up, so when that ring gets a little fatter, it will get till about there, then the new holes will line up. We also need to check for clearance here. We need to shave off about 2 millimeters. I looked at the X-Max of the speaker, and even though it will never ever reach there, there's a possibility that it could touch the inside of the grill here. So just as a bit of a precaution, we'll do that. Once we're done, then we'll refinish it, paint it, add our chemical touches, because if you don't know, 3D prints and sun, they don't go hand in hand. But at Paint Spec, we've got a few nifty little tricks, chemicals that we apply, primers and so forth, that allows it to withstand heat a lot better. Anyway, that's that. I'll bring you an update as soon as we're done and as soon as we get it right. But yeah, this was just to show you what goes into making these pods. It's not just a simple case of, hey, we're going to print a set of pods, throw speakers in. There's a lot of R&D that goes into it that people don't see.